How to contact Wix Customer Care. Here are a few ways to contact Wix Customer Support and Care. Live chat. The fastest way to get help is using the live chat option on Wix's support site. Look for the chat widget in the bottom right when signed into your account. Email support. Send an email to support@wix.com. Include as many details as possible about your issue. Phone support. Wix provides phone support in several countries. Find your country's support phone number on the Wix contact page. Twitter support. Message at Wix support on Twitter. A customer care agent should respond promptly. Facebook support. Send a message through the Message Us form on the Wix Facebook page. Forum support. Post your question on the Wix user forum boards to get help from the Wix community. Self-service help center. Search Wix's help articles for answers to common questions at support.wix.com. Contact form. Fill out the contact form on the Wix support site for a customer agent to reach out. Be sure to have your Wix site ID or order number handy when contacting support. This helps expedite the process.